Are you ready to unlock the secrets to flawless nails? Do you want to know how to banish nail fungus for good? Are you tired of hiding your fingers and toes? Well, get ready, because today we're about to reveal the ultimate solution to the most common nail nightmare. But first, let's address the pressing questions. What exactly is nail fungus? Why is it so stubborn? And most importantly, how can you banish it from your life for good? Brace yourself, because we're about to reveal it all. Natural remedies. Now, let's dive into the world of natural remedies, where Mother Nature herself offers some powerful solutions to combat nail fungus. These methods are not only effective but also gentle on your nails. First up, we have the mighty tea tree oil. Extracted from the leaves of the tea tree, this essential oil boasts antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's like nature's own secret weapon against nail fungus. To use it, simply apply a few drops of tea tree oil to the affected nail and gently massage it in. Do this daily and watch as your nail fungus surrenders to the healing power of tea tree oil. Another natural remedy that's been trusted for generations is vinegar. Yes, that common household ingredient can be a game changer. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Soak your affected nails in this solution for about 15-20 minutes daily. The acidity of vinegar creates an environment where fungus struggles to survive. It's a simple, affordable, and effective remedy. But the natural remedies don't stop there. Essential oils like lavender and oregano are known for their antifungal properties. Just a few drops of these oils, diluted in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, can be applied directly to the infected nails. The pleasant aroma of lavender adds a calming touch to your nail care routine, while oregano oil's potency ensures that fungus doesn't stand a chance. And here's a surprising one: probiotics. We often associate them with gut health, but they can also play a role in maintaining healthy nails. Probiotics help balance the body's internal flora, making it more resistant to fungal infections. You can find probiotic supplements at your local health store, or simply add probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir to your diet. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of garlic. It's not just for adding flavor to your dishes. Garlic contains allicin, a natural antifungal compound. Crush a few cloves of garlic and mix them with olive oil to create a potent antifungal paste. Apply it to the affected nails, cover with a bandage, and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process regularly, and you'll be amazed at the results. Over-the-counter treatments. Now, let's dive deeper into over-the-counter treatments, an accessible and effective way to combat nail fungus. Over-the-counter treatments come in various forms, from creams and ointments to nail polishes. These products are designed to be user-friendly, making it convenient for anyone to take control of their nail health. One popular option is antifungal creams. These creams contain active ingredients like miconazole or clotrimazole, which work to eradicate the fungus causing your nail woes. Simply apply the cream to the affected area, following the instructions on the label, and you're on your way to healthier nails. If you prefer a more discreet approach, there are antifungal nail polishes available. These special nail polishes not only add a touch of color but also deliver powerful antifungal agents right where they're needed. Applying these polishes is as easy as doing your regular nail routine. To apply an antifungal nail polish, start by cleaning your nails thoroughly. Then, simply brush on a thin layer of the polish and allow it to dry. You'll want to reapply it regularly, as directed, to ensure the fungus doesn't stand a chance. What's great about these over-the-counter options is that they are cost-effective and readily available at your local pharmacy or even online. You don't need a prescription, making them a convenient choice for those looking to address their nail fungus without a doctor's visit. So, whether you're dealing with a mild case of nail fungus or just starting your treatment journey, over-the-counter options can be a fantastic place to start. They're easy, accessible, and can help you on your path to beautiful, healthy nails. Prescription medications. If your nail fungus is more stubborn, you might need prescription medications. These are typically prescribed by a dermatologist and can include oral antifungal drugs. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before taking these medications. Laser treatment. Now, for those looking for a high-tech solution, there's laser treatment. This method uses laser technology to target and eliminate the fungus without harming the surrounding tissue. It's fast, efficient, and virtually painless. Preventive measures. But remember, prevention is the best cure. To avoid nail fungus altogether, practice good nail hygiene. Keep your nails clean and dry, avoid tight-fitting shoes, and wear breathable socks. And there you have it, the best and most effective nail fungus treatments for toenails and fingernails. Whether you prefer natural remedies, over-the-counter products, prescription medications, or laser treatment, there's a solution out there for you. Thanks for joining us today on this journey to healthier, happier nails. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be dealing with nail fungus. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. Until next time, take care of those nails. Remember, you don't have to hide your nails any longer. Say goodbye to nail fungus and hello to confidence. We'll see you in the next video.